Hey, what's going on? This is your boy Charles with Chadwick Experiences. I want to give a big shout out to Allen Iverson. I got to salute him on the practice rant because it's actually true what he's talking about. Allen Iverson was getting criticized about practice, and he kept it a buck 100 with the news reporters.
We're talking about practice, man. We're talking about practice. We ain't talking about the game. We're talking about practice, man.
He said, we're talking about practice. It's true. In life, we all practice, but what matters is the actual game. And that's what I'm here to talk about. Big shout out to Allen Iverson. I talk about that situation in my book. I got a new book coming out and it's called The Student Loaners. Are you a winner or are you a loser? What I'm doing, I'm taking basketball and I'm comparing it to college lifestyle and using basketball terminology to explain what's going on with these student loans. So as you can see, I'm on this basketball court. I'll do a quick 360 turn. You can see that I'm on this basketball court, right? In this same book, I give some game. In a basketball court, you learn the rules of the game. This is a practice court, outdoor court. An outdoor court, in my opinion, is more difficult than an indoor gym court where you got air conditioning, the floor is level. Everybody knows this if you're a true hooper. When you play outside, your game is your game. The wind could be blowing. There could be a spot on the court that's cracked, just like this. There could be a spot on the court that's unleveled, just like I just showed you there. The good thing about playing outside when you're a hooper is your game gets better, in my opinion, because it's not in a controlled environment. Now, in a college classroom, people have ideas, they have theories. In that brick and mortar classroom, it's kind of like playing inside a gym. Because in my opinion, you don't know when you're in college if your ideas are gonna work until when? After you graduate and you leave the four-wall classroom and then you enter the real classroom of life, which is called reality. So in my book, I'm always trying to give the best examples. Big shout out to Allen Iverson. If you don't know, he also has a book coming out. I'm not affiliated with him, but I wanted to give him his flowers while he was living. His practice rant is true. Practice, it's not that important in one sense. Yes, you work on your game, and it's kind of like when you're in school, you're practicing. But after you graduate, that's when it counts, the game. Like Allen Iverson said, we talking about practice, not the actual game. So when you graduate from college, that's when the game really starts, in my opinion, because it's going to be about money. And the game of finances is the greatest game that anybody who's born and will ever walk this earth have to experience, is playing the game. So be on the lookout for my book, The Student Loaners. Are you a winner or are you a loser?